In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Beehiiv. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll take you through it step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and type in beehiiv.com, or simply click on your bookmark if you have one. Once the Beehiiv homepage has loaded, we're going to move to the next step, which involves logging into your account. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login button there. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll have a few options for signing in. For this guide, we're going to continue by clicking on Sign In with Google. This is probably the most convenient method if your Beehiiv account is linked with your Google account. A window will pop up asking you to select or enter your Google credentials. Once you've done that, you should find yourself logged into your Beehiiv account. Now that you're successfully logged in, it's time to find the settings. Look for the settings button, which is usually located in a menu on the left hand side of your dashboard. Click on settings to proceed to the next step. Once you are in the settings, navigate to billing and plan. This section is crucial because it houses all the information about your current subscription plan. When you click on billing and plan, you'll be directed to a page where you can view your current subscription details. Within this page, search for a section titled Your Current Plan. You should be able to see the details of the plan you're currently subscribed to. It's an important part of the process, as we want to make sure we're adjusting the right plan. Moving forward, there will be an option labeled Change. You'll need to click on this in order to adjust your subscription settings. This option is there to facilitate any changes you'd like to make, including downgrading your plan. Finally, upon clicking Change, you'll be given the option to downgrade to a different plan, including a $0 plan if available. This is essentially unsubscribing in Beehiiv's system. Selecting this plan will ensure you stop being billed while maintaining access to basic features. Confirm your selection and you'll have successfully unsubscribed from Beehiiv. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have unsubscribed from Beehiiv. Thank you for sticking with me through this process. Remember, if you have any issues, you can always reach back to Beehiiv support for assistance. See you in the next video.